This video tutorial I will explain what is JWT or JSON Web Token. JWT stands for JSON Web Token. It is like a digital passport that proves your identity when you are using an app or website. Imagine you are going to a theme park. To enter, you show your ticket. Once you are inside, you don't have to show it again at every ride. The ticket lets the staff know you are allowed to be there, and they don't have to check you over and over. Here, ticket is equivalent to JWT. How JWT works? You log into website or app with your username and password. The website creates a special ticket, which is nothing but JWT, that says this person is allowed to use the app. The JWT sent to your device and you store it. You use the JWT every time you make a request to the website. So the website knows you are still logged in. You don't need to enter your password again as long as you have the token. The token works like a key to access different parts of the application. Just like your ticket might expire after certain time, the JWT has a expiration date. After the expiration date, you may need to log in using your username and password again to get a new token. So JWT is secure, easy way to prove you are allowed to use something without needing to constantly log in. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.